This is what America looked like when it was a meritocracy, when individual effort and ability determined how far an individual could advance. This was the vibrant, energetic America destroyed by political correctness. Political correctness has destroyed America's values, freedoms, institutions, and prosperity. So, a shadow government, a master class, can control everybody and everything. Don't let the master class win. Read America 2010 on the Hinge of History, a gripping street-level story that enables every American to understand what's at risk to them, their loved ones, and how as individuals they can fight back and defeat the tyranny of the master class.